I put a spell on you. And now you're mine. You can't stop the things I do. I ain't lying.
No! Don't listen to him!
Been 300 years, right down to the day. Now the witch is back, and there's hell to pay. I put a spell on you.
What's up, y'all? So, I just came over here to talk a little bit about my fitness routine. Long story short, I've been in and out of the gym for the past, I say 2.5, 3 weeks. So my schedule is all messed up. So I'm like, no, starting back in October, I need to get back in the gym consistently. But when you get back to working out, you know, you got to start back slow and then go back to beast mode. So that's what I did. So I'm like, let me just do a couple of compound workouts, 2 leg exercises, you know, 3 or 4 sets each. And then that's going to be my little workout. You know what I mean? I could end it with some cardio. And this time I chose to jump rope because the treadmills was crowded. And then I think the Stairmasters in my gym, oh, they was cleaning them. That's what it was. So I was like, let me just jump some little rope. But I hope you guys enjoyed my little fitness video. And I'll see you guys on day... No, I think this is day 4. I'll see you guys on day 5. Yeah.
I know you want it. Come over and check up on it. Got it, flown it. Oh, I know you want it. While I turn around you, watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it.
But I might let you try it off the Hennessy. Make them sing to this thing like a melody. And if your girl